In this guide, I'll explain the most common Spectrum modem's light colors and patterns you'll see, what they mean, and what you should do about them. Let's get started. Solid blue. First, the good news. A solid blue light is exactly what you want to see. This is the all-clear signal, indicating that your modem is powered on, connected to the internet, and everything is working perfectly. On newer Spectrum modems, this is the standard indicator for a stable, high-speed connection. If you see this, you can enjoy your internet without blinking blue. A blinking blue light means your modem is trying to establish a connection to the internet. This is common when you first power on the modem or after a restart. In most cases, this should only last for 2 to 5 minutes, as the modem syncs up with Spectrum's network. After a short time, it should turn into a solid blue light. Flashing blue and white. A flashing blue and white light is one of the most common statuses you'll see. Like the blinking blue light, it means the modem is actively trying to connect to the internet. This process should normally take just a few minutes. However, if the light is still flashing blue and white after 10 to 15 minutes, it's a clear sign that your modem cannot find or lock onto a signal. This is often caused by a loose cable, a local outage, or an issue with the signal from Spectrum. Red light. A red light is a warning that something isn't right. The meaning depends on how it's behaving. A blinking red light usually means the modem is in the process of installing a firmware update. It's best to leave it alone and let the update finish. A solid red light, however, indicates a more serious device or server error. This could be a hardware problem with the modem itself or an issue on Spectrum's side. Green light. A solid green light means the exact same thing as a solid blue light, a stable, working internet connection. You'll typically find green lights on older Spectrum modem models. No lights. If there are no lights on your modem at all, it's a hardware issue. This usually means the modem isn't receiving power. Check that the power cord is securely plugged into both the modem and a working wall outlet. If it's still not turning on, you may need a replacement. That's it. Understanding your modem's lights is the first step to diagnosing any internet problems. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.